Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a package I'm going to be opening, and it is from Science. Now it's been quite some time since I did a video that involved sea monkeys, but I had to do one just for old time's sake. So let's check this thing out and see what we got in here. Alrighty. Nice little thank you card. Thank you for your order. We appreciate your business and your enthusiasm for the original sea monkeys. Wishing you all things good. The Science team. Wow, these guys are the best, you know. Haven't stopped, you know, really doing this awesome artwork and everything that comes along with the sea monkeys. Look. Parchment paper there, and here we are. Now this is basically a retro kit. Create instant life. This is how sea monkeys were first packaged. I almost don't want to open it. It looks so cool. This is a modern kit, just so you guys know. I'm going to use these scissors just to keep it nice and clean. Packaged really nicely. We have our packets. 1, 2, and 3, along with our feeding spoon. Cool little sticker here. Really awesome art. Absolutely love it. And it looks like we got another sticker too. Can't have enough stickers, that's for sure. And here's our instructions. Bit different than what we're used to, but it's the same idea here. They even included number 4. Which is really the ongoing care. Oh, look at that. Includes the aerator. And for this right here, I'm going to be using this classic little kit I have, the Ocean Zoo. So let's get to it. We're going to fill the water up to the line and put packet number 1 in there, and then we're going to wait 24 hours until we can put the eggs. Alright, so here's our tank. And I have distilled water right here. I'm going to fill it up until the line. Here's our packet number 1. I'm going to remove the bubbler for now, just so I can mix this really well. We're going to let that sit overnight, and then tomorrow we're going to put packet number 2, which is our instant live eggs. So it's been 24 hours and today we're gonna add packet number 2, instant live eggs. Dump that whole packet in there. Make sure we get every last little bit. Then we're going to use our AquaLab here to mix it all up. Alright, so it's day 3 and we definitely see a couple babies in here. You might see them swimming around on the edges there, but let's take a closer look. Alright, so it's day 7 and you can see we've got a ton of sea monkeys swimming in here. Some babies and some young teenagers in here. And for today we're going to be feeding packet number 3, growth food. First things first, I'm going to aerate this tank a little bit. day 15. We're gonna aerate the sea monkeys here. They've been doing pretty well. Got a good amount of teenagers and babies in here. Let's let everything settle and take a closer look. Alright, it's day 17. Everybody's been doing pretty well. And today we're going to feed packet number 3.